Now, exercise 13.3, question number 2. In question number 1, we found the expanded form of a given number. Now, the expanded form is given to us, we need to find the number. Like I mentioned always, you can pause the video, solve all of the questions, sub questions in question 2, and then you play video and reconfirm your answer with mine one. Now to solve this one, see now the 10 into 10 raised to 4, 6 into, so best way is to do 10 into 10 raised to 4 is 10,000. Right? Then you write it over here, one after the another you can write 6 into 10 raised to 3 is 1000. Then plus 0 into 10 raised to 2 is 100 plus 4 into 10 and then plus 5 into 10 raised to 0, that is 1. Now I write it in a simplified form. 8 into 10,000 is equal to 80,000. So I write it as 80,000. 80,000. 1, 2, 3. 6 into 1000, so I write it as 6,000. 0 into 100, so I write it as 3 zeros. 4 into 10 is 40. 5 into 1 is 5. And now what I am doing? I am adding this number. So 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus all 0, 8. So your expanded form is 86,046. Now we'll move on to the next one. The next expanded form is 4 into 10 raised to 5. 4 into 10 raised to 5 plus 5 into 10 raised to 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to 2, then 2 into 10 raised to 0. So here 10 raised to 0. So now one term is missing, that is we write that is 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus, and the last one is 2 into 10 raised to 0. This number is not given, but we add that one. So to solve this in a systematic manner and step, we follow the same step which we followed in previous one. So now 4 into 10 raised to 5. So it comes out to be 4 into 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 into 10 raised to 3. So the one again step 1, the number missing is 0 into here. We are missing one number is 0 into 10 raised to 4. So I write here 0 into 10 raised to 4, that is 10,000. Now I write 5 into 10 raised to 3 is 1000. Then I write 3 into 10 square is 100. Then I write 0 into 10. The last one 2. 10 raised to 0 comes up to be 1. So now I solve it further. 4 into 1 lakh is 4 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 into 10,000 is 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 into 1000 comes out to be 5000. 3 into 100 comes out to be 300. 0 into 10 comes out to be 0. 2 into 1 comes out to be 2. So now solve this, add. So 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 3 3 5 plus 2 0 5 0 plus 0 0 and last is 4 plus all 0 4. So my number from this expanded form is 4,05,302. So now move on to the C1. The third one, that's a C. What it says that 3 into 10 raised to 4, 3 into 10 raised to 4 plus 7 into 10 square, 7 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 raised to 0 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. So now let's rewrite this again. 3 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 cube, which is not, that missing term. So to have the problem in a similar manner, the way we solve it, we add the power 10 to the power which are not given in the original problem. But since we are multiplying it with 0, the value of the number doesn't change. So 0 into 10 raised to 3 plus 7 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. So now I rewrite this in vertical form. 3 into 10 raised to 4 comes out to be 10,000. Then 0 into 1000, 10 raised to 3. Then 7 into 10 square is 100. Then 0 into 10. Then 5 into 10 raised to 0 comes out to be 1. So now to solve, 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. 0 into 1000 is 0. 7 into 100 is 700. 0 into 10 is 0. 5 into 1 is 5. So now we do addition. 5, all 0, 0, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus all 0, 3. So my number is 30,705. And now let's solve the last one, that is D. D. 9 into 10 raised to 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 10. Sorry, 2 into 10 raised to 2, that is 10 square, plus 3 into 10 raised to 1, or 10 to the power 1. So now we rewrite this problem again by putting missing 10 raised to 5, then plus 0 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0 into 10 raised to 3. Now 2 into 10 raised to 2, or you can say 10 square, plus 3 into 10 raised to 1 And the last one, if you want to follow the same procedure, same step, you can write 0 into 10 raised to 0 as well. So now I do this products and write it in vertical format. 9 into 10 raised to 5 is 100,000. 0 into 10 raised to 4 is 10,000. Then 0 into 10 cube is 1000. Then 2 into 10 square is 100. Then 3 into 10. Then 0 into 10 raised to 0 is 1. So now to do the addition, let's rewrite again. 9 into 1 lakh is 9 lakhs. 9 into 100,000 is 900,000, or you can say 1 lakh. Then 0 into 10,000, 0. And 0 into 1,000, so it's 0. 2 into 100 is 200. Then 3 into 10 is 30. And 1 into 0 is 0. So 0, 3, 0, 0, 2, then 0, 0 and 9. So it comes out to be 9,230,000.